Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIFOM SLTN. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we cannot do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the ADIFOM SLTN or ADIFOM. I want to say the foam because these sneakers are made out of foam. And we got this in the white silver metallic colorway in the UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So here they are. Right there for you, all its glory. I'm not gonna lie, off the bat, it kind of reminds me of a Yeezy foam runner. Not the foam runner, sorry. The Yeezy runners, you know, the 750s. And maybe even, I forget, I want to say the 500s. But it's got that silhouette look. I mean, obviously Adidas has already had the Oswego, so they can argue that this is essentially an Oswego inspired design. However, this is a new silhouette from Adi, and you know, they went back to the archives, hence the Oswego part, and obviously it has been inspired by those silhouettes. So we'll start a look at the outsole, and you got a rubber outsole. You can see the exposed foam right there where the Adidas logo is, trefoil, different kinds of traction patterning, but it's rubber. And the midsole, so it is an Adiprene foam midsole unit. Encompass the boost right here with this midsole, but it is essentially just a rubber outer that's coating the midsole unit. Upper is made from recycled materials. Which parts of the sneaker are from the upper that are recycled, I cannot tell you, unfortunately, but I can pretty much guess it's all in that textile upper. So it's all synthetic materials, essentially a sock unit, because you can actually slip your feet in. All around the, how can I say this? It's like lifted stripes here. It represents, you know, the Adi 3 stripes. So it kind of reminds me of like the Air Max 97, the patterning there where it looks like a ripple when you look at it from the top down. That's just me though. I see a lot of similarities between the two silhouettes. Got a padded tongue with the Adi logo, a fast lace system there as well. Doesn't come with another pair of laces, unfortunately. The back, when you look at the heel, so essentially you got the slip collapsible heel unit there, so you can just, you know, slip your feet right in, and it's easier because of the lip right there. So you can in and out, easy action to pop your feet in. And the insole unit is just a normal foam with the Adidas logo. Decided to try these on. They look like an affordable Yeezy. At this time, Yeezys aren't very popular at the moment, so, and I don't think Adi are selling Yeezys. I believe they stopped production. So if you're looking for that style, similar, easier runner, futuristic, you know, this is one to go for. And in this white colorway, you can't go wrong with well, it's not really, I was gonna say an all white trainer, but it should match whatever you're wearing. So roll that footage of me trying these on. comes to the size, I recommend that you get a half size to what you usually wear for Adidas. Usually I am a UK size 8, but I feel like I should have got a UK size 7.5. It's only because it feels like it's slipping off a bit. It feels a bit wide. My toes are where they need to be, however, but I feel like this needs to be more snug. They look very comfortable on, I mean, they are comfortable on, and they really look very sleek. But in regards to the sizing, I do recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Adidas. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.